3 BUZZRACK rack racks. They all look the same, but which one's right for you, you decide. E-Hornet 3, the Scorpion Lite 3, and then the Scorpion Pro 3. They'll all take up to 60 kilograms in weight with a maximum bike weight of 30 kilograms, and will also take up to a 4-inch tyre. So the E-Hornet 3 is a self-assembly rack. It was Auto Express recommended. It takes up to 140 centimetre wheelbase, and it also tilts. The Scorpion Lite comes pre-assembled. It folds and it tilts, and it also has an adjustable upright. Scorpion Pro 3 won Auto Express Best Buy. It comes pre-assembled and it folds and it tilts. It also comes with an adjustable and lockable upright, as well as a cable lock to secure your bikes, transport wheels, a loading ramp, and a user-friendly tow ball clamp. So now you know the differences. Which one are you taking on your next adventure?